Hello, this is Terry and welcome back to my mini camper build. In this part I'm going to be waterproofing and painting the bottom of my camper, and what I'm going to be using is PMF, or better known as poor man's fiberglass. That is Type Bond Premium 2 wood glue mixed in with the canvas paint drop cloth, and I'll be applying that to the surface of the bottom, and I'll be painting that with some type of latex paint, probably quite a few coats of that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I've got the 2 coats of glue on top of my drop cloth. I've cut the holes out for my mounting, and then this seam is in the middle. I don't know why they do that, but I did some research, and unless you order a specific drop cloth, these seams are in the middle. So what I'm doing now is taking a razor blade and cutting the seam off to make it more flush. Now I'll go back over this with some glue. I got the seam off as best I could and glued it, so I decided just to go ahead and put another coat. I had plenty, I had a gallon, so I had plenty in there, so I just put another coat on there. So I'm gonna let this dry and sand it off tomorrow and start painting it black. Okay, with a little help from my wife, I was able to put the floor on the trailer bed today. So now I'm going to drop my bolts in and tighten it up and mount it to the frame. Slight problem that I think I can take care of. When I drilled my holes for these bolts to mount this floor to the bed, the holes are are larger than the nut under this elevator bolt, so it won't lock it when I tighten it. So what I came up with is I got some vice grips, laid them flush on the floor. It's enough to grab the bolt, and then I got this small little anvil, so when I'm tightening underneath, it will hold it. It worked fine with this one, so thank gosh I can do that. So let me go ahead and tighten and get all these done. Okay, I've got my floor on, installed permanently. I got the 9 elevator bolts going through the floor to the beams of the frame. I've got those secured. I also put in some deck screws, 3 deck screws through the 2x2s here on the bottom. I did those at an angle. And I'm going to do the same thing on the front once I start putting, my flexible plywood for the ceiling is going to go here, and I'm going to have a 2x2 right here so I can put the roof on. And once I get those 2x2s here, I'm going to put some deck screws to the beam here up through that too, so it'll be secure. So I'm happy with this. Next thing I'll be doing in the next build video is making the walls and getting the walls installed. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.